About to build up a whole bike, laying it all out. See what I got. Got the Churchill cranks, 165. See, got the Primo rebars in the size 9. The Primo headset. Can't really see it, but it's dialed. Another Nate peg. Alright. So I got the camo seat. The reason why I got in this color because I wanted to match my grips. They're not out yet, but soon. Annulator stand. Ooh, alright. I never had this frame before. The LTD Nate Richter colorway frame. 20.75 with a 12.8 rear end. Oh, I got a stranger seat post tripod. JJ sprocket. 25. Some more Nate Richter pegs. Some stranger tubes. Not just one. Well, maybe just one. No, wait. But 2 in one box. I got a chain in here. Primo half link. Stranger ballast forks. Primo free mix, left-hand drive. Rear wheel. We got the Primo N4FL. Front wheel. Stranger ballast. I believe they're 2.45. Yeah. Got the JJ pedals. Primo. Check these out a bit. Get a better look at them. Nice and grippy. It's time to build with no tools.
She got that heat.
Sam Murray Production.
I just finished up building a whole brand new bike and I'm about to get a couple clips on this ledge with it. Thanks for watching my bike check. Shout out to Stacked, awesome shit. Stranger, Primo. These should be out in about, probably like in a month or 2. They come in army green, blue, tan, and I believe red. They're like, the length on them are 175. Really soft, they're thicker than usual grips. They got palm trees on the edges, you can see that. And then right here in the corner it says Primo and then my initials, MH. Ooh. And those are my signature grips. Thanks for watching.